This is Kim Guzman with Crochet 123 magazine. In issue 7, the anniversary edition, I've introduced linked stitches. In this baby afghan, the intermediate project, I've used a very tall stitch, the linked quadruple stitch. Perhaps taller than any stitch you've used before, it's still quick and easy to learn. Now for the quadruple stitch here, I'm going to make 5 stitches, make my slip knot, and chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now for this one, because it's so tall, you need 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's how tall the first stitch is going to be. So insert your hook, and remember, 7 loops is the goal. So you have 1 on your hook. Now 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 loops on your hook. Now you're going to close just like before. Pull through 2, and again all the way up to the top. It's a very tall stitch. Now you've made it up to the top, and that's your first stitch. Now I like to stitch into the side here. Sometimes you'll see patterns that have you stitch into these bars here. I just prefer the look here. You can do whichever one you want. Insert your hook, pull up a loop. Now remember, the goal here in this one is 7 loops. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 at the bottom, and 7. Now close through 2, and again, and you will make these stitches all the way across the chain. Until you've completed the entire chain. Now I'm getting ready to make the last one. See, I have one more chain here. So my goal is 7. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 7 in the chain here. Now although this pattern, the novice pattern, does not have you turning, in the interest of showing how to turn and complete this next row, I'm going to go ahead and show you here. But now in this pattern, just follow the pattern. I'm actually going in a spiral for the pattern itself. But for the interest of making sure that you know how to do this stitch, I should also show you how to do the second row. So in order to do that, you're going to chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, this is a very tall stitch. The turning chain is 6. Insert your hook into the chain. Your goal here is 7 loops. So now 3, 4, 5, 6, and see, I've turned and go into the first one. Now you're going to close them normally. Pull through 2, and again, and all the way up the side of that stitch. It's so tall, it's like you're working 6 rows at the same time. So let's do one more. Now we have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then into the next stitch. And then close them. 2, 2, all the way up. It's probably a stitch you've not done before. It's a quadruple stitch, taller than even the treble. It's very tall, almost doesn't fit in the camera.